Hello, you're on the Space Daily News channel. The Starliner capsule safely landed in Mexico on May 25th. The touchdown brought Boeing's uncrewed Orbital Test Flight 2 to a successful end. Starliner lifted off atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket on the evening of May 19th and arrived at the ISS about 24 hours later. That was a huge milestone for Boeing, and one that the aerospace giant had tried to achieve once before. Starliner undocked from the ISS and then conducted a 58-second deorbit burn, which slowed its velocity by 285 miles per hour. Starliner detached from its service module a few minutes after the burn wrapped up and began its plunge through the Earth's atmosphere, hitting our plane's air at about 70 times the speed of sound. At just under 5 miles in altitude, Starliner jettisoned its forward head shield and deployed 2 drogue parachutes, slowing the vehicle descent. At an altitude of about 1.5 miles, the drogue parachutes detached and Starliner's 3 main parachutes deployed, slowing Starliner to a manageable impact velocity. With about 3,000 feet to go, Starliner jettisoned its basal heat shield, exposing its airbags, which soon inflated to absorb the initial impact with the ground. Starliner ended up landing exactly where and when it was supposed to, coming down within 0.3 miles of its target, according to Boeing representatives. Though OFT-2 is now officially a success, Starliner did experience a few hiccups during the mission. For example, 2 of the thrusters of Starliner's service module failed during its orbital insertion burn, which occurred about 30 minutes after launch. A backup thruster quickly compensated for the malfunctions, allowing the mission to continue without incident. Shortly after that incident, mission team members expressed confidence that the thruster failures would not affect the remainder of OFT-2. They also state that determining a root cause would likely have to wait until Starliner's post-flight inspections. If those inspections and other analyses go well, NASA could end up certifying Starliner for crewed flight, potentially paving the way for an astronaut-carrying test mission to the ISS in the near future. This was Space Daily News with Julia. Stay tuned.